Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Question number 1. We see that we have u. We know that the formula of this one. So if we do first derivative of u in here, first derivative of u, that's about number 1. So in this situation, if we do first derivative of this one, we will do first derivative of u. Similar for this one. And because first derivative of variable like this, we have number 1. So this means this should be is about number 1 in here. This should be about number 1 in here. So we can simplify like this. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We have the formula in here. And represent about the power. So if we do first derivative, we will have n multiplied by t to the power of n minus 1. So if we do first derivative, so number 6 in here, we will have about 6 multiplied by t to the power of 6 minus 1. We just apply the formula in here. Similar for the next one. And the last one, t, just similar for the first one in here. And that's about number 1. Now we need to simplify. 6 minus 1 is about 5. 4 minus 1 is about 3. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. 3 with number 4 is about 12. And this is the final answer of the question in here. Now let's go to the next one. For this one, we will apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have y equals to uv. So if we do first derivative, we do first derivative of u multiplied by v. Later that we do first derivative of v multiplied by u. So in this situation, so we do first derivative of this one multiplied by this one, plus we do first derivative of this one multiplied by this one. And now we can simplify the answer in here. So first derivative of u to the power of negative number 2, we just apply the formula in here. So we have the power negative number 2. So in this situation, we have negative number 2, u to the power of negative number 2 minus 1. This one similar, we have negative number 3, u to the power of negative number 3 minus 1. This one similar, we have 3u squared minus 4u And now this one is about negative number 3. This one is about negative number 4. And that is the final answer. Question number 4, similar. So in this one, we change for y to the power of negative number 2. This is about 3y to the power of negative number 4. Now we apply about the product rule of the derivative. So if we do first the derivative, so we do first the derivative of this one, multiplied by this one, plus first the derivative of this one, multiplied by this one. And this one, we have negative number 2, y to the power of negative number 3, plus negative number 4 multiplied by negative number 3, we have 12. And we have negative number 5. This one, we have 1 plus 15y squared. And that is the final answer. And now we go to this one. This is about quotient rule of the derivative. So we have y equal to a over b. So if we do first the derivative, we do first the derivative of a multiplied by b minus first the derivative of b multiplied by a over b squared. And now we apply the formula for this one. So if we do first the derivative, we need to do first the derivative of 3x minus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 1 minus, we do first the derivative of 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3x minus 1. And denominator, we have b squared, so we have 2x plus 1 to the power of 2. First the derivative of 3x, we have number 3. First the derivative of the constant, that's about number in here, you have 0. So this one we have number 3. This one we have number 2. And that is the final answer. Similar for this one. First, the derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2 multiplied by the square root of x. Because first, the square root of x, that's about this one. Similar for this one in here. And now we just have the final answer. This one, we do the same. U squared with the power 2, we have u to the power of 4. So this one, we have 6u to the power of 5 minus 6u to the power of 2. Similar for this one, we have 2u. And we simplify by u. And this is the final answer. And the last one we do the same. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. S minus S. Now we just have only C over A. This is the end. Thank you for watching.